It's a peripheral.
Something that interacts with a computer. Guys, if you're oriented.
So it's mouse, keyboard.
It's a device that interacts with
Yeah.
a computer.
So something that is, yeah, something external that can be connected to a computer, like a printer as well.
Accessible. Accessibility.
Next, Java virtual machine. It's something that can be, I don't know what the Java virtual machine is.
Programming a machine, an operating system which allows the machine to read Java code.
Yes.
Operating system
Ooh,
inside an operating
guys, what's the difference between a compiler and an interpreter?
The compiler translates the code into machine code, and the interpreter checks for errors. I think that's it.
Interpreter checks for errors?
For syntax. He said it
Oh,
more
yeah.
than us, trust me.
Okay. Interprets binary code to perform instructions. Okay. Importance of user documentation. Because users are stupid and don't know how user-friendly programs work, they still need instructions. And what else?
To know how to use the machine.
Okay. And the answer
know how
is
to use the product. First of all, they each know if they want that product, and second, they each know how to use that product if they want to.
Yep.
Did anyone here learn the two's complement and all that jazz to learn to convert?
Two's complement.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what they saw on Reddit. No, not really. Characteristics of a queue. You can push and you can NQ. Yes, you push. NQ, DQ. Yes.
First in, first out.
Yep.
The stack is first in, last out. Damn, son.
Phase changeover, guys. What's a phase changeover? A new system introduced in phases as parts of the old system are gradually replaced with a new. Wait, Gonzalo, what's the difference between phase changeover and a pilot changeover?
Pilot change is when only one small part of the company adopts it. It's more like
I have to sit there for the trial.
Okay. A small part of the company.
a small part of the company
And
adopts
this-
and tests if it's efficient, and then if it's efficient, then the whole company adopts a new system.
Okay.
So it's more like a testing part.
Okay, and what's the difference between this? Like, what does this do?
Phase is the whole company adapts gradually with the system.
Okay.
Today,
So it's kind of like our school.
Now we're gonna bring new keyboards.
Yeah, so it's like our school introducing Managback, introducing Moodle, introducing Schoology, introducing all this other bullshit that we never use.
That's like a
And
gradual change,
yeah,
like a phase changeover.
and a graphics processor,
My ass. No.
something that allows.
The
Display.
computer treats graphics so you can read the images.
Just a complex graphics processing. It's a
Oh
graphics
wow!
card.
A more complex graphics processor.
Effect of network connectivity is too limited.
Probably should have slashed the door.
You don't have access to networks. I don't know. Limits the way data can be sent. Oh, so this is what causes lag.
Guys, we will have half an hour.
The time is 1 o'clock.
Online support. Online support is like
Okay, let's skip through these easy stuff. What's a GAN?
a global
GAN.
area
GAN.
network. Global area network.
Global
Area network.
Nodes spread out globally. Example.
What's a WAN?
Guys. Most important thing. www is not the same as the internet.
Yeah, that's a protocol.
It's a World Wide Web.
It's a word, really.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Dude, guys.
Thank you.
What's a WAN?
Wide area network. It's a collection of local area networks in a
Global area network.
Yeah.
We just had that.
Exactly.
methods of network security.
Why am I not streaming?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Encryption.
No. Yeah. Encryption. What else?
Compression.
Compression.
Yes.
In-
because the
integrity.
data is modified with the use of protocols, and then when it's received by the receiver.
I knew it. Boom. Confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So
What is that?
this is methods of network security.
Confidentiality.
Methods of network security.
Well, confidentiality was
Integrity and availability.
travel,
Oh, sorry.
integrity, and availability.
P D N T S P A. Bum, bum, bum. Shake. Next. Packet switching. Packet switching.
You guys know things.
It's when packets get divided up and then sent
Yes.
through
Different
other
routes.
One day
Yeah,
they
through
split
different routes.
into data packets, and then it's sent through different routes through packet switching networks.
Yep.
And then
Oh.
it reallocates at the thing.
Okay, let's skip topic 1 questions and like focus on topic 2, 1 or 5.
Static. What has next? What's static?
Has next to see if there's another item. Static is something that
Guys, the difference between pure and
It's a limited memory, limited space. Okay? So it's
Example, what's the
not
difference
good
between pure
use
and
of memory
post
space.
Can you like join to me, like give me an example?
Yeah, I'll explain to you like if
What
you
is
were 10 years
abstraction?
old.
Andre, what does abstraction do?
It makes things simple.
Explains the
Right.
explains the
Andre.
system in the most simplistic possible, in the most
Andre.
with its most essential features.
See, that is too much.
Andre. True. Andre. the
Execute
cycle-
stage, skip that.
Yeah, the cycle to travel tree is left to right, actually. You go like this. This is-
Centralized system.
You always do it like this. If it's post-ordered, pre-ordered,
Oh,
No idea.
Maybe it's like a system that's centralized.
so you
A system where the
node
nodes connect to a central.
Linked list? Linked list?
No. For networks.
Oh, centralized
For
system.
control systems, actually. Yeah.
Control system.
Yeah. It's topic 7. Computing done at a central location using terminals that are attached to a central computer.
Question was that?
It's topic 7.
Up.
Wait, is that like a type of topology?
What? No, it's not a type of
Tier
form.
1?
Remember,
Oh, string up most.
Yeah.
What?
the tree translation.
Yeah, this is just what you call it? Data, primitive data types. What's Wi-Fi, boys?
Wireless.
Wireless network.
It's not wireless fidelity. It's not wireless fidelity. That's a rumor. No, it's not. It's a WLAN used in laptops. It's just another protocol. Yeah, another protocol. It's
No,
for
Wi-Fi is a net.
no, Wi-Fi is not a network.
HTTP is a net.
Why?
Yeah,
It's WPA, it's a security system for the...
Wi-Fi is an interface where you can have
Protocol.
things connect to a network.
Yeah, boy.
It's a wireless protocol security system.
Yeah.
That is not the answer, but
Intrusion can only come from those who already have access to the net.
Yeah, guys, you need to know this, guys.
It's security for internet. Why
Yeah.
can't they keep it simple?
memory address, memory data.
Connections between RAM and CPU, control bus, address bus.
Oh wait, no, it's true.
Yeah,
Kind of.
kind of.
No, the memory address bus.
Guys, what's a control system? Something that can be used to change. No, something that has an input, an output, and a microprocessor.
Processor.
Do any
Kill me.
That's basically it.
Wow.
No, just say a control thing.
Yes, and don't forget feedback. Don't forget feedback.
That's feedback.
Oh boy. Feedback is where it uses the output as an input.
Oh, okay.
So like,
Oh, it's
so
to
like
check things.
yeah, so
Oh, I know.
yeah,
No.
for like heating systems, for
You have
example.
to check if the device is broken or something, right?
Yeah, or like if
You
it's
send
working at a
feedback
temperature.
to a sensor, and then the sensor will, and then you can see if the sensor's working or not.
Yeah, see if the sensor's
Yeah.
working and like regulate, like do actions upon it.
Yeah, regular.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario.
What is it?
I think we know what the worst case scenario is.
Yeah, two and a half hours.
It's the worst case scenario. It's self-explanatory.
Max run times, okay. Recursion, what's recursion, boys? We won't need this for paper 1.
Is that the answer?
What?
Not add item?
No. A method that calls itself in a program which becomes more simple and stops calling itself at some stage. So basically it's like a loop and it calls itself over and over and it has a stopping condition. So it's basically an if. It's a program that has an if, and then it will keep calling itself if that condition is true, and it will stop when that condition is not true. And what's a full binary tree? Something that has a leaf node. Oh, no, not leaf node,
Parent, children.
Root node, a root node at the top of the tree.
Each node has 2, 3 children, man. Children.
Okay. What's a sensor then? What's a sensor?
Device
Something that takes input. Yo. Opa.
Is there an input device?
Yeah. Any. Otherwise, response to it. Disadvantages of observation?
Direct observation.
Yeah, direct observation.
Workers might become less productive because they're uncomfortable.
Oh yeah, they're uncomfortable with working, and it's
Time consuming.
yeah. Changes in behavior when being observed. Holy shit! The principal
So
of
you
the
won't
school is
get
watching.
100% accurate data because people will be probably like working harder.
Yeah,
Local computing. Oh, that's a centralized system or something.
yeah, something like that. Lack of collaboration and local computing. Interesting.
Technical support makes sense. Cost of hardware makes sense.
Yeah. Okay.
It's like, then you have sort of-
Whatever. Let's just hope and pray it doesn't.
Here we go.
Fetch.
What's the fetch
Fetch.
Fetches
Fuck.
data from the RAM through the
No,
MAR.
like just like fetch.
MAR, yeah.
MAR. Then it goes to the C control unit.
Fetch decodes. Fetch
Fetch
decode.
execute.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Then
fetch.
it decodes in the C in the control unit.
Fetch.
Then-
Guys, you have 2 hours and 10 minutes to write this whole thing.
Yeah, fetch decode execute store.
Yep.
4 stages.
Yeah, but
No.
if this thing is empty,
Only when we are off.
Just read the questions, bullshit everything, guys.
Do-
Trust me, bullshit everything.
Guys, let's only do the higher level topics.
Program counter.
I have control systems and topic 4.
PC.
Topic 6.
I'm good for a
Topic
favorite
6
topic.
and topic 4.
Topic
That's
6
what
is
I-
resources, dude.
Yeah, but like,
Do you know what's hardware?
what's polling?
Polling.
Yeah.
Wait, polling?
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up. I
Yeah.
know what polling
Yeah.
is. You know. What's polling? Aaron, Google, you have a computer.
No, not me. That's Google. The software as a service.
Yeah.
what
Wait,
was
explain.
the definition?
Right.
Explain how software as a service is Google, or Google is software as a service.
When you place your resources to a third party,
Virtual VPN
Server,
servers. VPN
yeah.
servers.
Hmm.
Computer
Okay.
science.
Nice.
Oh, what's virtual memory?
Polling or polled operation in computer science refers to actively sampling the status of an external
Virtual map.
device by a client program as assigned synchronous activity.
That's for which definition?
Polling is most often used in terms of input-output and is also referred to as polled, I/O or software-driven I/O.
Hmm.
I/O meaning input-output.
Okay.
Refers to actively sampling the status of an external device by a client program as a synchronous activity.
So
What the fuck?
basically, from what I understood from that,
Okay, Miss
Input,
Morris,
output,
okay.
it's something that checks peripherals for whether they're working correctly or whether they are giving.
Guys, the
A certain
breakdown
input.
will probably be like 60 out of 100. Like, we're
Yeah.
good.
Or lower
Breakdown
this year.
is 7.
Yeah.
It's a 60 out of 100.
What? You guys just get 60 points and you're good to go.
We're good.
What disadvantages of interviews? Should we do that?
Oh, people might not. Oh, interviews takes time. You
Yeah.
only do like.
You
And
don't
you can
get
only-
the information that you necessarily
Yeah.
want all the time.
Yeah, because
a
it's
very
limited.
lengthy-
Yeah, limited as well.
Time constraints.
Takes too long. Okay. Extranet, boys.
Oh, I know.
What's that?
It's a network that limits. Why are you recording? It's a
Yes.
network that limits
It's because
access.
it's like 12
It
minutes.
limits access of users to the network.
Allows individuals to communicate on the internet in private spaces for a fee for specific purposes.
No, yeah, it limits their use of the network.
So basically, it is
It's like. It's
WhatsApp.
It's not a wait.
Is WhatsApp an extranet?
No. WhatsApp is a
Okay.
social network.
Fuck.
Wait, I'll tell
Ah,
you.
yeah, it's like cage. It keeps
Cache management
Cache.
keeps recently
It
or
keeps-
frequently used programs in it so that the CPU can access them faster.
very
Yeah.
fast. Yeah. So CPU needs to access RAM less frequently as it's slower.
What's
Yeah.
where's extranet?
Importance
Oh,
of testing.
extranet's the beginning. Definitely.
Importance of testing is to get a good idea of overview of how a system
Find
works
the
and what
issues,
doesn't work. And
requirements
yeah.
of the users or affirm whatever it is.
Functions of protocol.
I have no clue.
What's the analog filter?
Analog filter?
Yeah.
Types of linked lists, guys, boys, let's go.
Is it something that makes it digital or no? Which topic?
Aaron, play some goddamn
7?
bass.
Analog filter. I have no clue.
Analog filters. What term isn't a thing that filters analog systems to one side and digital to the other?
Yeah, something like that.
It only takes analog input or something.
Types of linked lists: singular linked list, doubly linked list, circular.
Circular
Linked list and,
circular linked list.
Yeah,
Double
doubly
linked.
circular linked list. And yeah, guys, it's time to study definitions. Oh wait, these are definitions, by the way. Time to study definitions for topic 6, polling and
Oh,
all that
that's
stuff.
what happens if you have a bad graphics.
So what
Yeah.
converts analog from digital is a transducer.
Yeah.
Remember that.
Transducer converts analog to digital. Okay.
You don't get like the full honest answer.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah. No,
asking
no,
the
no.
right
Yeah.
questions. Information gathering is limited.
May not
by
be taken
questions.
seriously and
May
all
not
that
be
stuff.
taken-
And what's software? Software is just a piece of
It's
code
a software. It's a piece of code that
meant to do an action.
and the user uses
Yeah.
it. Collection of programs and instructions that control the computer.
do an action, control the computer same thing.
Why standards are important.
Come on, man. Oh, guys, we have to get out of here.
E2MP.
No, it's left-handed.
Yeah. Period 7. Little